Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about collapsible panel, or you can say the feature of expand collapse interactive accordion component. So here I have an example where you can see we have minus plus, so this is expanded and these all are collapsed. Now going to the example here, and here we have the different layout in this collapsible panel. So while I click on this, it will get expanded and you can see the layout which is having the two column layout, and then third one which is having banner plus content, and then we have just content, and then three column image. So here we have the three images as a column wise and then the content. So here is one advantage of using this component. I have defined it as a auto layout. So whenever you are going to use this, like here, this is the one frame, and here is the title, here is the collapsible panel component which is used in a front panel. So suppose this is the first one where you can see the different layouts are defined here, like a grid view. If I make it this turn off and make it this column view on, so you can get it here. This column view is having this feature where you have these images. So for that, here you can select this column view. So this is the column view. You can select this column view. You can see this another one is get disable and this is visible here. So here you can get this different Boolean property where it will say the left image so hide. So automatically it will get hidden once you make it off, and here the content will take a place. So if you make it on, then the image will get placed here, and again same with the right side. So suppose if you want to just content, you can hide both of the image, then only content will appear. If you want both image and content you don't want, so this image will get expand here. So the same way it is defined for the another layout also, which is like a three column layout. So just need to expand this, or how you can update this. There is a one more concern here. Suppose if you want to update this, so post content, you can write it here and the post title is here. So this is the post title which is saying this collapsible panel example 1 create view. Instead of that, if you want to give some other name, so you can write the another name also here. Just select this, and here after editing the text and these all settings like image left and right, if you want to make it on or you want to show that, you can make this boolean on, and then again you select this. Here you will get this content and you can make it header, so it will get hidden. So this is completely auto layout, so for that reason it is getting expand and collapse very easily and smoothly. So again, if you want to edit, you can edit like this. The same way the other panels is having this feature, so where you can on this content, and here this is the column view, you can make it the grid view. And in grid view, if you want to edit this, so for that you can go to this content panel here, select the grid. So this is the content panel, and within that content panel this is the collapsible panel. So if you go to collapsible panel, here you can write the title and you can select the any of the layout. And if you want to change the image, you can directly go to this image within a grid thumbnail, and here you will get the image, and from here upload from computer, you can do that. And if you want to select this thumbnail, you will get these all options, like if you want to give it the hover effect, you can give the hover effect, title, and then content you can type as per your requirement. And here I have given the view more button. If you want to add view more, instead of that, click here, tap here, you can add it. And if you want to hide the button, you can hide it. If you want to hide the image, so you can hide the image, just content will be there. If you want to hide the title, so you can hide the title also, or you just hide the content, so image and the button will appear. So this all component properties are defined within this, and where it is defined in this component page, you can come to this component page. If you want to add more layout, just easily you just copy this and make it the another layout, or either you can just turn on off or on, like here it is already defined, left image so height, right image so height, content and the post title. So whatever settings you want to change, you can just copy this and you can make the another layout. And after creating the another layout, you can come to this collapsible panel component, and within that it is defined here. So like here you can see uh, I have one options of like a 3 column image, grade, column view, content only, and the banner plus content. So this is all defined here. You can add more, and once you add more, here you can go to the property, select the Boolean, and after creating the Boolean property, you can make the appearance visible or hidden. So this is the overall trick for this. Just I will explain with one example how you can add this. So suppose I'm going to delete this 3 column image view, and again I'm taking this for an example, duplicating this. So this is the already having all those features. You can detach this, or you can use this one to just hide this image. And once the image is hidden, now you come to this body part and you can see this content is here. So this is auto layout, you can do like this. So here you are not able to access this. For that reason, you have to detach this instance. Either here is the left image, this is the field, and you can make it hug. So this dimension will get changed. If you want to make it the field, you can make it this field, and you can create the new uh, layout here. So just we are going with the hug content. If you want to make it the entirely new layout, just select this, detach this, and here you will get this image and this image. Now how it was in a previously, we'll make one more image. Now we have the 3 images and this is the content. So what we need to do, just select 3 of them, make it one frame, and come to this body part, and here you can make it this vertical. So this vertical is done. Here is this new frame, and in this new frame you can define the padding. Suppose you are saying 20, so padding is defined here, and here is the content. Now if you want to, okay, so before that we'll rename this 3 images plus content. Now this is the new layout. You can make it as a component. Now component is created. What we need to do, just we need this text property. So here you can come and look at the text. So before going with this, okay, select this, come to the text, and you can write post text or any other name. If you want to give, you can give that. And here just I'm saying hi, this is example, and you can create this property. So once the property is created, you can select this content here and come here, and you can say post text. So this is created. Now we have to use this in a component property. So in collapsible component property, we need to add this. Just copy this, and here we have the content panel. In content panel, we have to use this component. So just drag and drop this. So here you will get this 3 image content. For that, making Boolean property, select this collapsible panel, and before that just will take this name, so it will be easy. And here we have the 3, already one name is given there, so we'll just rename this, and this we need to define it. So 3 image content, you will get in appearance, apply Boolean property, and you can select this 3 image plus content. So now it is false here. So same thing if you want to use in a front panel, collapsible panel here in a front panel. So here is this, and you can see here header, go to content, and already we have given earlier one. So suppose if you don't want this one, the older one, so here you can see this much content is given there, so you can directly delete this, and already we have this one, so you can delete, remove, or you can keep it like this. Now the next we have to see, this is the implementation we have done here, whether it is working or not. So come to the collapsible panel and we can see this. So here we have the new one about the post. Hi, this is example. So we have given the new one. Now suppose if we don't want this new one or old one, we can delete this directly from this panel. So here you can see this all panel is hidden here. If you want all those panel, so for that what we need to do, suppose I'm going to delete this first, and this is the image content, and this is the one which is the old one. So I will delete. So now you can see everything is got hidden because that was the older one which is I didn't trace to. So now you can come to this instance, and from here you can make it this on, it will get appear. So older one we need to remove from the component property which is already having here. So once we delete that, it will get hidden. And instead of this, if you want to use any other, you can select this grid property, and this grid property already I have said you need to select this and you will get the property for this button and all, so you can use this accordingly. And here is the content. If you write hi, so this content will take this place and you can view this. So it is working all fine, and this is like a one of the advantage of using this component, because all these layouts are defined here. If you want to add more, you can add it. And if you want to add the table, you can add in a table this collapsible panel with table. Or if you want to add more content within the single collapsible panel, you can add that also. So for adding more content, here is the one example, just I am adding here only. So select this and you can see the column view, panel content, and content only. So these all are defined in a single collapsible panel. Now if you want to preview this, so here you can see this all are visible here. So you can add as much as per the requirement, and you can use this. So this component is uploaded in Figma Community. You can use freely. And how is the trick? Whether it is a reusable component or not, please write on the comment. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.